Question 15. In the past, many public sector recreation providers allowed people free access or charged for permits to control the amount or season for different recreational activities such as fishing or horse riding. However, governments and other public agencies are finding that funding to maintain sites and facilities to cope with increased demand on the landscape is becoming difficult to maintain. Opportunities to charge visitors for appropriate services to help compensate for these costs are being considered as one solution. This is a sensitive matter, as free access for all people to the outdoors is a much cherished right. There is also an additional dilemma for public agencies where recreation facilities are already provided from public money, and it could be argued that the taxpayer is being charged twice. Thus, care is needed by public bodies to ensure that charges are only made for services that are clearly additional to the provision of free access.